How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, we've got a lot of excitement about the Mavic Pro 3 courtesy of Jasper from DroneXL. These newly released images really depict what the Mavic 3 is going to look like. And the timing of these newly released images is just about perfect to overshadow Parrot's new OsitaLV AI drone. These images leave little to the imagination because they clearly depict exactly how the battery will fit in and all the pieces will fit together. But there is just one problem. Some of these images really do match what we've seen before, and then some of these images are quite different than what we've seen just last month. For instance, this sketch matches the shell perfectly, and these images released last month from OsitaLV both have similarities and discrepancies from what was released this week. For instance, what I found that was similar were the attachment points for the screw and the locking mechanism for the top plates. But on the reverse side of the same top plate, the mounting screw and the lip of the locking mechanism are quite different. Also, if you look closely, you'll see that the distance from the edge of the front scoop to the edge of the front scoop on the original shell has shrunk. And now for the base plate. You'll see that the geometric shapes of the spine on the support mechanism have changed. Also in the base plate, I've noticed a difference in the outer edge and a curve on the end of the base plate that wasn't there in the previous pictures. And for this model, I don't think a forward folding reverse motor layout is going to work. The forward locking mechanism won't allow the arms to fold forward, and the rear arms protrude too much for them to fold backwards for a reverse motor. Personally, I was hoping for some water resistance on this model, but with all these air intakes, I don't think it's going to match the water resistance level of the new OsitaLV AI. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.